students! Today we will learn 30 words that start with alphabet K. K for kite. K for king. K for kangaroo. K for kitten. K for keyboard. K for kingdom. K for knife. K for kettle. K for kids. K for key. K for karate. K for kick. K for cookie. K for kennel. K for kit. K for koala. K for knee. K for kiwi. K for kitchen. K for ketchup. K for kidney. K for keychain. K for knowledge. K for knitting. K for kilometer. K for kilogram. K for kindergarten. K for kingfisher. K for Korean. K for kind.